विवेक जी, पुलिस का किरदार कर रहे हैं आप, करेक्ट?
यस।
लेकिन अगर पब्लिक प्लेस में अगर आपको कभी किसी ने कहा कि अरे पुलिस का किरदार तो वो ट्यूबलाइट वाला ज़्यादा अच्छा करता है, तब क्या टेक होगा? तब क्या टेक होता है आपका? क्या कमेंट होता है उस समय आपका? क्या 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 विचार आते हैं आपके दिमाग में?
क्या विचार आएगा? बोलूँगा बहुत अच्छा करता है, और जब पार्ट 3 आएगी मैं भी देखने जाऊँगा।
थैंक यू।
तो आप ऐसे क्यों कर, जब कोई कहता है, बोलो ना, मैं बोल रहा हूँ, मैं कहना चाहता हूँ।
ठीक है, मैं ही बोल।
जब कोई कहता है ऐसा,
और नाम भी नहीं लेके,
हाँ,
पिक्चर के नाम के पीछे छुप के,
जब कोई कहता है ट्यूबलाइट वाला, बोलो सर, मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ, अगर ऐसा ऐसा है तो ऐसा है। और आप तो कैमरा पे भी नहीं हो, आप तो सिर्फ आवाज से पूछ रहे हो।
विवेक जी, पुलिस का किरदार कर रहे हैं आप, करेक्ट?
यस।
लेकिन अगर पब्लिक प्लेस में अगर आपको कभी किसी ने कहा कि अरे पुलिस का किरदार तो वो ट्यूबलाइट वाला ज़्यादा अच्छा करता है, तब क्या टेक होगा? तब क्या टेक होता है आपका? क्या कमेंट होता है उस समय आपका? क्या 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 विचार आते हैं आपके दिमाग में?
क्या विचार आएगा? बोलूँगा बहुत अच्छा करता है, और जब पार्ट 3 आएगी मैं भी देखने जाऊँगा।
थैंक यू।
तो आप ऐसे क्यों कर, जब कोई कहता है, बोलो ना, मैं बोल रहा हूँ, मैं कहना चाहता हूँ।
ठीक है, मैं ही बोल।
जब कोई कहता है ऐसा,
और नाम भी नहीं लेके,
हाँ,
पिक्चर के नाम के पीछे छुप के,
जब कोई कहता है ट्यूबलाइट वाला, बोलो सर, मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ, अगर ऐसा ऐसा है तो ऐसा है। और आप तो कैमरा पे भी नहीं हो, आप तो सिर्फ आवाज से पूछ रहे हो।
Salman Khan has a protective and a caring nature towards the needy. This is what Manisha says about Salman Khan in a recent interview. She says that she has interacted with Salman during Khamoshi and has seen him being very protective even towards Sanjay Leela Bhansali, who was a newcomer then, thus showing that he always encourages those who are wishing to go up to the ladder of success. Well, Manisha Koraila, back after a small sabbatical in Hindi movies, sure has some dum for what she has said is not false. Bhai does have a softer side to him, even if he is worshipped as the favorite action bhai of Bollywood. Meanwhile, Salman Khan is busy with Tubelight, his Eid offering to fans. Of course, the year-end would see him in Tiger Zinda Hai, the sequel to Ek Tha Tiger. With so much happening and a sequel to Dabangg also being planned, Salman Shubha knows how to squeeze time for being caring. है ना?
आप सब आप यहाँ आए, अपनी अपनी कुर्सियों पे अपनी अपनी तशरीफ रखी, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू, वेलकम। पिछली बार जब मैंने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल की थी तो तशरीफ लग गई थी। आज खुशी इस बात की है कि मेरी नहीं किसी और की लग रही है। जिसको ये बात समझ में नहीं आई, मैं यही कहूँगा कि आप सब ट्यूबलाइट हैं। हाँ, आज बहुत अहम दिन है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट दिन है। यू आर ऑल गोइंग टू बी पार्ट ऑफ। आप सब आप यहाँ आए, अपनी अपनी कुर्सियों पे अपनी अपनी तशरीफ रखी, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू, वेलकम। पिछली बार जब मैंने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल की थी तो तशरीफ लग गई थी। आज खुशी इस बात की है कि मेरी नहीं किसी और की लग रही है। जिसको ये बात समझ में नहीं आई, मैं यही कहूँगा कि आप सब ट्यूबलाइट हैं। हाँ, आज बहुत अहम दिन है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट दिन है। यू आर ऑल गोइंग टू बी पार्ट ऑफ।
Did you know that the Chinese actress Zuzu would be coming to India to promote the upcoming flick Tubelight with Salman Khan? Yes, we are indeed eagerly waiting for Salman Khan's Eid Bonanza Tubelight. Well, for a start, let us tell you that China is a market where the Bollywood films have to be presented, so the publicity is really needed to set the film rolling. Tubelight is a flick which has all the ingredients of a pot boiler with its Indo-China background. Yes, for those who love Salman flicks, this is surely going to be an entertainer as it shows the journey of a slow learner and how he achieves his targets. Zuzu apparently plays a major role, but we have not been told what. So till we get to see the flick, we would surely love to see Zuzu in action in India. Henna, what do you feel? Well, it is Salman Khan in Karan Johar's next, and it would have Katrina in it. Yes, apparently Karan Johar is up for a new film which could be the same Raat Baki that he had planned with Fawad Khan. Don't we remember the manner in which Karan was grilled during the Ae Dil Hai Mushkil release and questioned about having Fawad Khan in the flick? Karan had promised not to have Fawad in any flick, so has Salman replaced Fawad in the upcoming film which is still not named. And he has Katrina in too. Yes, it took a Kabir Khan to get the duo back on Tiger Zinda Hai, and now we would have the pair back again in Karan's possible next. What do you feel about seeing Salman and Katrina together again? Yes, obviously, Fawad is not going to be missed, for when it is Dabangg Bhaijaan, everything else takes a second priority. What say? Salman Khan is the reason why Kapil Sharma's show would not go off the air. Yes, for those who are Kapil Sharma's fans, this is a good news. And the reason behind this is Salman Khan. Yes, for Bhai is not yet ready for the show Das Ka Dam, which he is going to host. Bhai is busy shooting for his upcoming Tiger Zinda Hai and does not have time for completing the Das Ka Dam show. Therefore, Kapil gets an extension. So Salman Khan has indirectly helped Kapil Sharma to continue with his show. For since the time Kapil and Sunil Grover had a mid-air tiff, the TRP of the show surely had come down. But after episodes like Arjun Kapoor and Shraddha Kapoor's presence, the show picked up to around 4 million impressions from the original 6 million impressions. Do you feel Kapil would be able to cash in on this newfound life of his show continuing? Do let us know. Baby Taimur is a killer with his innocent looks. Isn't he looking oh so cute with his cherubic face just wowing us? Well, this little munchkin of Saif Ali Khan and Kareena Kapoor Khan was spotted outside Masi Karishma Kapoor's house, and he just was the paparazzi's joy for the moment. Looking absolutely a darling in his red shorts and a matching tee, the prince of the Pataudi clan is here to always woo you into his happy land of thumb-sucking and cooing glees. Recently, we had seen Kareena posing with Taimur in an equally cheerful mood, and by we can only say that Shahid's kid Misha and Kareena's son Taimur are already hitting the popularity charts from their baby land. What is your opinion about this cute picture on the blog, and don't you feel Taimur really rocks? Do leave your comments in the section below. Former beauty pageant winner Aishwarya Rai Bachchan has recently returned from the Cannes, where she has become a regular. But unlike last year, this year the diva earned a thumbs up for her impeccable and bewitching look, especially when she walked the red carpet in her Cinderella attire. And now we hear that while fans were pinning for her to spend another day at the Cannes, the lady returned back just in time to ring in her mother's birthday. Here we have a family picture which has the 3 generations in the same frame. As the Rai clan stood around a decorated table and a cake, we see Aishwarya with her mother Vrinda and daughter in the same frame. Well, we can say that this picture did melt our hearts, especially the picture of Ash's dad Krishna Raj, who left for his heavenly abode in March. Well, pictures like this show how life has to move on, and so it does. While you enjoy the picture of Kal, Aaj or Kal in the same frame, don't forget to post your comments in the section below. Alright, so finally Sara Ali Khan, the cute little princess of Saif Ali Khan and ex-wife Amrita Singh, has seemingly got a break. After a lot of ifs and buts and Student of the Years and Serats, finally Sara would be seen with Sushant Singh Rajput in Abhishek Kapoor's Kedarnath. The director has confirmed this, but we do not know much about the flick. We recently saw Shah Rukh Khan, his son Aryan and Sara in a single frame, which led us to wonder if the two would be seen in an upcoming flick. Then she was rumored to star with Ishan Khattar in Serat or with Tiger Shroff in Student of the Year too. Well, for starters, now Abhishek Kapoor has set the Sara ball rolling. Sushant, quite comfortable with Abhishek after his debut in Kai Po Che, would surely be happy to work with the talented director once more. Anyway, do let us know what you feel about this unique combo that may set the Bollywood screens flaming. Salman has always been a pleasure for those who see his pictures and for those who shoot. This recent picture of his for an Image Eyewear photo shoot is sure to take the fans by storm as it focuses on the nitty-gritty of the star himself. Yes, seen with iconic glasses, the photo sure gives one a reason to feel wow, what a star. With cool-looking glasses, Salman is a living picture of style, class and a swagger that we cannot help love. The short stubble and the cool look that he is giving in the picture is enough to set pulses racing and heartbeats rise. Salman is getting ready with his Eid release Tube Light, and recently his trailer on the flick easily crossed 100,000 like bar, and thus Salu surely is the ruling star for many. What do you feel about this photo shoot where Bhai surely looks as dabang as ever? Henna? Well, it's a bright day for Salman Khan's Tube Light. It's just been a very short while since the trailer of Tube Light has launched, and my, it does seem to have taken the internet by storm. The trailer has gone viral and is now being watched in a loop by all movie buffs, especially fans of the Bhai. So much so that the number of views have shot over 10 million. Now this is something great, but given that all Salman films do manage to garner such a hype, we are sure that this number too shall be surpassed soon. Meanwhile, fans and critics alike have appreciated and applauded the trailer, which is 2 minutes 17 seconds of pure delight, depicting the nerve of the film in an apt manner. Well, just like the other elements, this trailer of Tube Light 2 will be etched in our memories for a long time. So have you enjoyed the Tube Light magic? Let us know by commenting in the section below. Well, Karan Johar's party got this unique duo of Ash and Deepika together. Yes, and the credit goes to this one lady who is between the two Bollywood divas, and aren't we thankful to her for making this happen? Well, so what if we didn't see them together at Cannes? Here they are in the Cannes of Bollywood, the Karan Johar party. Yes, his 45th birthday party was no less than a Cannes-like celebration with the who and who of Bollywood invited. It is reported that Deepika and Ash were one of the 128 invitees who made it to his door, and surely the two look ravishingly gorgeous, and we sure are happy to see the real Mastani and would have been Mastani together. Yes, Ash was to do Bajirao Mastani with Salman, which never happened. Anyway, for the moment, it is a big thank you to Kejo for getting this iconic picture happen. Here is some great news for the fans of Jab Tak Hai Jaan. Well, the three main leads Shah Rukh, Anushka and Katrina may soon be reuniting for Anand L. Rai's upcoming film. However, nothing has been officially announced yet. The film in question has been in need of the leading lady since long, and there were speculations that Deepika Padukone is likely to be on board. but owing to her commitments to her upcoming period film Padmavati, she had to back out of the coveted project. The next name that cropped up was that of the bubbly talented Alia Bhatt, but Karan Johar's protege too cited dates issues to turn down the project. Insider sources have revealed that the team then approached Anushka Sharma and the Filori star is on the verge of accepting. If this happens to be true, then we will soon get to see the Jab Tak Hai Jaan romantic trio Meera, Samar Anand and Akira once more. Now that would be great, isn't it?